In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Asana for Google Sheets to import project data. To get started, open the Google Sheet where you want your Asana information to appear. This can be a brand new spreadsheet or one you're already using for reporting, tracking, or planning. Once your sheet is open, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. From there, choose Add-ons and then click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can search for tools that connect directly with Google Sheets. In the Marketplace search bar, type Asana for Google Sheets. When you see the add-on appear in the results, click on it and then select Install. Google may ask you to review permissions before the installation is completed. Take a moment to read through the prompts, then continue to allow the add-on to be added to your Google account. This is a normal part of the setup process, and make sure the tool can work properly inside your spreadsheet. After the installation finishes, return to your Google Sheet, go back to the Extensions menu, and this time open the Asana add-on from the list. When the add-on launches, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Asana account. Complete the login process using your own account credentials so the add-on can access your available projects and data. If you're already signed into Asana in your browser, this step may be quicker. Once you're connected, choose the project data you want to import into the sheet. Depending on your setup, this may include tasks, project fields, deadlines, assignees, or other related information available through the integration. Make sure you select the correct project and confirm that you're pulling in the data you actually want to analyze or share in Google Sheets. When everything looks right, click Sync Data. The add-on will begin importing your selected Asana project information into the spreadsheet. Give it a few moments to load, especially if your project contains a large number of tasks or fields. Once the sync is complete, you'll be able to work with the imported data directly in Google Sheets for sorting, filtering, reporting, or collaboration. That's it.